right, it's been a long week and I am definitely ready to kick back. We are going on a Beijing adventure. We're hitting up bars, serving up drinks that best represent China's ever-changing liquor and wine culture. Now, we're definitely gonna drink responsibly. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm Megan, let's go get a drink. Been to China, you've probably never tried Baijiu. Now, this stuff is really strong. It's not something you want to drink by the bottle, but I have to admit, I'm a little bit curious to try it. So we're heading over to Capital Spirits. Now, they use Baijiu as the base of all their cocktails, which sounds like it could be kind of good. So how would you guys come with me, huh? And here we are, our Baijiu bar. Looks like this area is really developing, getting pretty trendy, getting back to its artistic roots. Oh, and if you get here around 7 p.m., you get to see something kind of cool because during the day, this place is a coffee house. And then at night, it lets its hair down and transforms into a bar. So trading coffee beans for something a lot stronger. Wow, that was some switch, huh? And I can't even smell the coffee beans anymore.
There is okay Baijiu, and there's bad Baijiu, and there is horrible Baijiu.
I find I don't actually get that hungover when I drink Baijiu. It's a strong flavor, but I feel like it's good.
不懂酒的人喝它的感觉可能只有就是特别辣嗓子。对于爱酒的人来说，给人一种就是升华的感觉，你知道吗？
In China, we have a lot of different baijius, different aromas, 12 different. But here, this is only 4. This first one, this is our rice aroma baijiu. It's from Guangxi, Guilin. The Chinese name is Guilin Sanhua. 38% of alcohol. It's made with only rice. Shoot it, you know.
Take a shot.
Yeah, sip is like we make the baijiu flavor stronger.
All right, cheers. It went down easier than I expected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is just the first one.
Right, okay.
Second one, that's the light aroma baijiu. Be careful, light aroma doesn't mean it's light alcohol. It's from Shanxi province. And the Chinese name is Xinhuacun Fenjiu. 53% of alcohol is made with only sorghum.
Okay.
Spicy.
Sharper in the throat.
Yes.
Definitely sharper in the throat. Not bad though, kind of floral actually, right? A little bit of a floral.
A little bit in the end. Third one, this is one my favorite one, you know. This is a strong aroma baijiu. It's from Luzhou Laojiao. 52% of alcohol. It's made out with wheat and sorghum.
Ooh, yeah. Okay,
Right.
it's a little sharper when it goes down.
Yeah.
There's like an after kick. The aftertaste is actually fruitier than the taste itself, I think.
Yes. Last one, salsa aroma baijiu. It's from Baijiu province. The Chinese name is Multi Prince. 53% of alcohol and made with wheat and sorghum.
I taste the chocolate that you mentioned.
You mean the dark chocolate?
Yeah. It's a little bit like bitter chocolate. That's so strange. Wow.
This is why we have opened the bar. We want the Chinese people, young people, and also more foreigners, like try their baijius different.
清粉佳人，试一下。清香型的粉有黄柠汁儿，加了一点酒，增加它的那个层次感，还有蛋白，口感会更绵密一点，有酸有甜，然后酸甜平衡的一个酒，然后整体来说白酒的那个味道没那么冲。
Wow, it went down really smooth. I wish you guys could try this because this isn't what I expected a Baijiu cocktail would be like at all. Because the shots that I had, they're pretty sharp, but this is really smooth, and the flavors are so layered and nuanced. Wow.
我们有相对掩盖掉白酒的那个香气的，也有突出白酒味道的。另外一款酸失令就不一样，我们用浓香型很难掩盖，但是我们也没有必要掩盖，搭配了一个百香果的那个糖浆，然后再加上鲜榨柠檬汁儿，然后还有一个橙味酒，整体会让它的那个香气跟那个浓香型的白酒相得益彰那种感觉。
It's really refreshing. I can taste the passion fruit that's in there, and it likes to be really good, like by the beach in the summer.
It's brand new for me, so he was like, there's a place they use baijiu for like base. So if you want to try it out, I was like, yeah, why not?
觉得还不错，蛮新奇的，因为以前没有尝过，然后味道比较清香。
Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, with the fruit taste.
When I first started drinking Baijiu, it was with like older men would take me out to dinner and we'd have a private room and we'd just do shots on like a Wednesday night. But I think it's interesting to see the way in which like young people in China continue to drink Baijiu, but maybe in a different way. And so there's continuity, but there's also quite a bit of difference.
I've been in this bar all day, and I really realized that for a lot of Chinese people, Baijiu holds a very special place in their hearts. And then for foreigners, Baijiu is something that represents Chinese culture, and it's something that will allow them to understand Chinese culture a little bit better. And I think maybe what Capital Spirits is doing here is letting more people potentially get to see just how special Baijiu can be. And I think that's pretty cool. So I will drink to that.